Okay, so that's quite random, but apparently VSCode now supports Claude Skills. Okay, so that was kind of a surprise, but let's check it out. So I went ahead and created .claude/skills, and I have some funny front-end challenges. So I went to the Anthropic skills and I copied the front-end design skill. So I went ahead and did it already. So I have it here. And let's see if it actually uses it. So let me copy this image. I'll try to go to plan mode, use Gemini, and ask the agent, please remove the skill from the, yeah. Please create a nicer UI and follow the, the image for design. And let's add the image. Let's create a, give it a chance to create a design. Okay, it uses the image. Nice. Make sure let's close the skill so we're sure it's adding it. Okay, let's take a look again. And it says that we need to have the read tool in order to have it working. I think we have the read tool. So let's see if somehow this is getting added. No, we have the thinking, which is quite nice. And we have the indentation telling us that the sub-agent is working, so that's quite nice. We know that we are getting our context handled correctly. Okay, some more thinking. I love the thinking. And we can see now that the thinking is, I don't think I saw it before, but there are actually actions, tools inside the thinking part. I think that's new. And it's kind of breaking the sub-agent indentation. So I'm not sure if it's happening in the sub-agent. And there's some new UI that I don't remember, like the line with the dots. So that's nice. Okay, but let's focus. All in focus. We have a plan. We have a plan. Let's write it into a file. Eager to see if it would actually use the skill once we run the agent mode with. Okay, so we have the plan. Let's run it in a new window, new chat. Okay, keep and continue. Let's see what's happening here. Will it use the skill? Let's open the debug menu, see what's happening there. Okay, so it's reading the plan. Ah, it's another plan, I think. Reflecting on the prompt. Let's see if we can see if it's using skill. Each skill, here is the list of skills that, okay, that's nice. Looks like, yeah, it picked up, you see, front end design. Okay, so it's actually working. That's nice. Okay, so folks, here you go. We have support in the skill. It's not reflected here, which is kind of, I think, maybe not the best user experience to know, because I would assume it will be like instructions, right? But it is using it, okay, and that's nice. And let's see if I have the terminal working. Yeah, so I should have the website working. Where is it working at? Where are you, localhost? Okay, Okay, I would say that we could use a bit more work on the front-end UI, but at least we can see that skills are being added into the instructions. So we see design skill, front-end create distinctive. That's interesting. Let's take a look for a second. So we have the description. This is the description. Let's see the skill guides creation. Let's see that it's actually including it inside the debug. So just a second, bear with me. And let's see, show chat debug, okay. And let's look for that part. No, so we're not seeing that, but it does say publish code that avoids generic, It does have the link to it. Here is a list of skills. Toot, toot, toot. That's another skill. So I'm not sure if it's okay. So to be honest, I'm not sure if it's actually using the skill. It does say use the skill, but I haven't seen an example of it actually using it. Beside the fact it says so here, but I would assume that it will read the file, and we're not seeing it. We're not seeing it, right? I'm not seeing it. You're not seeing it. So I guess we're not seeing it. Okay, so maybe there is some more work to be done here, but still, it's a step toward skills being included. So that's nice and a bit cross collaboration between tools. Okay, VSCode team, let me know if I'm doing something wrong.